Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a paper airplane. First, take a standard sheet of paper, typically 5 by 11 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise, creating a central crease, then unfold it. Next, fold the top two corners inward so their edges align perfectly with that center crease. This forms a neat triangular point at the top of your paper, setting the foundation for your airplane's nose. Now, take the newly formed triangular point and fold it down. Make sure the tip meets the bottom edge of the previous folds. Press firmly to create a sharp, straight crease across the paper. This step is crucial for the airplane's balance and aerodynamics, giving it a distinct nose shape that will help it cut through the air effectively. Next, fold the entire paper in half along the original center crease, with the folded down nose on the outside. Then, fold down each side to create the wings. Aim for a fold about 1 inch from the bottom edge of the body. It's important that both wings are symmetrical. This balance is key for a smooth and stable flight path when you launch your airplane. For the final touches, you can add small upward folds about 1/4 of an inch on the back edge of each wing. These small flaps, called elevators, help with lift and stability. Double-check for symmetry and make any necessary adjustments. Now, hold your finished paper airplane near the nose and give it a gentle, forward toss. Enjoy watching it glide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.